oral signs of stress, and 10 ways to protect yourself. Many patients visit us with various medical symptoms that they haven't connected to the issues in their mouth. It is very common for patients to experience anxiety, and some may have mercury amalgam fillings, which we know can be harmful. Safely removing mercury is crucial for a patient's overall well-being, as removing it improperly can actually deteriorate your health. One frequent complaint is teeth grinding, a subconscious habit that many deny even having. It's important to educate ourselves and be open-minded and overcome denial to address this damaging habit. There's a list of the progression of teeth grinding, from habitual and psychological to neurological effects, which helps us identify the root causes of our issues and symptoms. When we take photographs of a patient, we know what normal is and we know what destruction is. Patients don't know any better, but when educated and when you point out the pieces of teeth missing, they can then become aware and start becoming more watchful about when is it that they do it, because the proof is on the putty. It's there. Bruxism, grinding the teeth together, causing them to become smaller and more sensitive, with thinning enamel that makes decay easier. The second symptom is clenching. Applying excessive vertical forces is called clenching, resulting in bone loss, gum recession, fractures of the teeth, roots, and the bone. Number 3 is cervical erosion, the wearing out of the soft root during brushing, leading to enamel popping out at the gum line. Number 4 sign of stress is cracked teeth. When we take photos, we can see the vertical and horizontal lines and matching like a puzzle of the teeth. Number 5 is tinnitus. Ringing in the ear is very common, and people don't know why is it that they are listening to this ringing in the ear that sometimes becomes so loud that is excruciating that they cannot hear anything in the room. When this happens, and you have clenched your teeth so hard that already you have decreased the distance between the mandible and the maxilla, you can actually become dizzy and damage the TMJ, which is the temporomandibular joint. Number 6 sign of stress, premature aging. When you lost the vertical dimension and the size of the teeth become half the size, your proportions on your face are going to look like an old person. Usually, a patient would tell me, I'm starting to look like my mom. She's 80 years old, I'm only 60, and I cannot see my teeth anymore when I smile. Can you make this better? Yeah, absolutely. When we improve on that and fix that problem, the person will look 20 years younger. Sign number 7 is digestive problems. Due to changes in teeth anatomy affecting mastication and digestion, people get GERD, acid reflux, and high digestive issues because they can no longer masticate their food properly. When the teeth are restored to ideal occlusion, a person can elongate the lifespan by 15 years. Because if you don't digest your food properly, you're not going to be getting the nutrients that you're supposed to. Sign number 8 of stress is constipation. Yes, when you don't chew your food properly, you're going to have a bulk of food going without being masticated. So it's going to take longer to be digested, and there's going to be a resulting poor nutrient absorption. Number 9, another sign that is very harmful is vaping. Very harmful trend causing rapid damage to the enamel, denting gums and lungs, particularly affecting the younger generation, and then the not so young generation that's vaping. I don't see it. It's more carcinogenic than smoking. I don't know how people can get caught into vaping but lack of knowledge most probably is one of them. If you're one of those people, just say no to vaping. Number 10, CBD products. While providing temporary anxiety release, these substances can cause oral damage, rampant decay, toothaches, and the users may also experience irritability and dependence. So what they use to relax now is causing them to be having withdrawals and becoming irritable and not easy to get along. Recently, we have a patient that was given CBD products for her to use to calm down her anxiety, and the grandmother paid $30,000 to fix her teeth. She came a month after, and now she had no teeth full of decay. And I told her, your poor grandmother just spent $30,000. You have to become an adult. You're 25 years old. You have to become responsible and change your habits, because you're going to end up with no teeth. How much money can she spend? And how many times can we fix the teeth? So fixing your teeth is not the end. You have to also change your habits. So spending money is not enough. You have to own it and take care of your new car. Now let's explore 10 ideas to reduce stress. Number 1, we all know that exercise is the most important thing that you can do. Engaging in regular physical activity allows your body to produce neurotransmitters needed to cope with stress. It improves mood, gets you in great shape, and improves your cardiovascular health. Idea number 2, pray and meditate. Directing your thoughts to something greater than yourself, letting go of the need to control everything, is a key habit to allow just God to bless you and take you where He wants you to be. Prayer and meditation really calms down your nervous system that it deals with stress. You have the fight or flight or the heal. If you are fighting, you're not healing. So prayer and meditation is very important. Number 3, journaling. Gain awareness of your perspective in life. Challenge your fears and focus on gratitude. You cannot be angry and grateful at the same time. Idea number 4 to reduce stress is to forgive. Start with self-forgiveness and recognize that everyone is doing their best. Nobody's perfect, including yourself. Number 5, nutrition. Avoid stimulants like sugar. Sugar can actually cause insomnia. Excessive carbs become sugar. Caffeine increases your irritability on the neurons. So consider alternatives like matcha tea and L-theanine. L-theanine is an amino acid. Ensure proper B vitamin intake and hydration for detoxification. Idea number 6 is acupuncture. Seeking an experienced acupuncturist to help you balance your immune system and alleviate the adrenal stress. It works every time like a charm when I go. Dr. Lee puts her needles and I don't feel them, but within 5 minutes, I pass out for 45 minutes and I wake up so refreshed. It was like if I took a 4-hour nap. Number 7 is full body massage. A massage releases your muscle tension, particularly in the head, with craniosacral massages. It's really amazing to love yourself. And if you cannot afford a massage therapist, maybe your boyfriend, your husband, your significant other can have fun with learning how to do it. And then you reciprocate that for them. Idea number 8, wearing a mouth guard. Wearing a mouth guard is absolutely essential to reduce the amount of destruction that you're going to do on your teeth. It protects your teeth by using a mouth guard or Invisalign light tray, especially during sleep. Some people use it when they work or when they're driving a 95. Why? Wearing a mouth guard is not going to stop you from clenching, but it's going to take the hit first before your teeth take the hit of the pressure of clenching. Idea number 9. Can you unplug for a moment? Can you turn off your Wi-Fi and cell phones at night to promote better sleep by avoiding blue light? Yes, you can. You must do it. You must go to sleep with no electrical, TVs, computers, and phones in your room, because all that is receiving electromagnetic frequencies and it interferes with your brain waves and your ability to fall asleep properly. And lastly, idea number 10 is sleep. Establish a routine and an aim for 8 to 10 hours of sleep, prioritizing a sleep schedule from 9 p.m. to 6 p.m. as a baseline, because it is when you sleep that you actually heal and God regenerates every single cell of your body. It's the time that your memories get consolidated in your brain. Some people that have not slept for 30 days, they literally can become psychotic because your body and your brain needs to save and mature those experiences in order for you to be mentally healthy. Creating outdoor spaces, gyms, and activities where people can socialize, play games, stay grounded is essential for a healthier and happier society. This positive change will directly impact both overall and oral health. Let's be the change we want to see. For further information, questions, or to consult with a biological dentist, please contact us at gonaturaldentistry.com. Dr. Cintron has 30 plus years of experience as a biological dentist and is dedicated to identifying the root causes of her patients' health issues.